Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel, The Crave Corner. I am Nandini Bhasa and today I am going to make a South Indian dish with a Chinese fusion, and we all know we eat idli, a South Indian dish, and I am today going to make its fusion, which is called as idli Manchurian. I have the leftover idlis and I am today making its Manchurian. So now we start with the ingredients. And now we start with our ingredients. This is diced capsicum, half cup, and diced onion, half cup, sliced chilies 3 or 4, 2 to 3 cloves and half piece of ginger, red chili powder, chili flakes and black pepper mixed, salt, corn flour 1 tablespoon, then maida 1.5 cup and corn flour again, half cup, red chili sauce 1 tablespoon, green chili sauce 1 tablespoon and soya sauce 1 tablespoon. And also our leftover idlis, and we will make this recipe in 2 parts. First with binding of idlis and marinating it and frying, and then making our Manchurian gravy. We will chop our idli in like 4 equal parts. And now we will chop all the idlis. Now our idlis are finely chopped in equal parts, and we will now marinate it. We will now add this maida. This is near about 1.5 cup. And corn flour. This is near about half cup. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes and black pepper 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon salt. And half tablespoon garlic, chopped garlic and ginger. And we will now mix it. Now we will add nearly about half tablespoon of soya sauce in it. And water. And mixing it and making a thick batter for marinating our idlis. I am whisking it with a whisk so there should be no lumps in this, and I had added the Kashmiri red chili powder, so the color is now changed into a somewhat red color. Now our batter is ready. Now we will add our leftover idlis in the batter. Our idlis with the batter, and now we will deep fry, and I have put the oil for deep frying. I will show to you. I have put the oil and now I will deep fry the idlis. Now I am adding my idli in the oil, and you can see the idli is now frying. As now you can see the idlis are frying, and now after some time I will take it off. As now you can see our fried idlis are done, and now I have taken it off, and now we will start up to making our gravy. I have added oil in this kadai, and now I am adding chopped garlic and chopped ginger for frying. These are our ingredients for making our gravy of the Manchurian. These are fried idlis and the sliced green chili. I have used 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 big tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 big tablespoon green chili sauce, chopped garlic and ginger, 1 big tablespoon soya sauce, and the corn flour for making the slurry to make our gravy thicker. Diced onion, diced capsicum, and the main ingredient to maintain our taste, that is salt. You can add salt as per your taste. While frying the idlis, you can feel that the idlis are sticking with each other. So after the idlis get cooled down, you can divide it easily. Now I am adding chopped garlic and chopped ginger together. As my oil is diced onion and sorting the diced onion. Now the onions are sorted, I will add capsicum in it. It is nearly about half cup capsicum. Now the onion and the capsicum will get sorted, and now I will add soya sauce. It is 2 tablespoons, big tablespoon soya sauce I am adding in it. 1 big tablespoon green chili sauce. 1 big tablespoon red chili sauce. And now we will mix the sauces with the vegetables, and it will get thick because the sauce is thicker, so we will keep it for just 2-3 minutes. And now we make our corn flour slurry to make our gravy thicker. Here I am using the leftover slurry of the marinated idli that was left over, so I am using that, and in this I am adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and mixing it. And a dash of water. Now my slurry is prepared, and I am adding it to the veggies mixture and the sauce we have made in the kadhai. Now I am mixing the slurry with the sauce and the veggies very well. Just give it a good mix. And I am adding salt in it. Now I am mixing the salt and the veggies together, and now I am adding some water in it to maintain the consistency. As we have now added corn flour, so the consistency will get thicker and thicker. So to maintain its consistency, just add some dash of water in it. As you can see now, the oil is separated from the sauce, and now it is in the corner, and I am mixing it, and our gravy is now ready. And now I will add my fried idlis. We have fried it earlier. And now mixing it.
As you can see now, our idli manchurian is ready, and we will have just now mix it very well and the fried idlis very well to mix the sauce with the idlis and cover it. And now after some time we will start for our plating. Now just mixing it well, and we will do plating. Tada! Our idli manchurian is ready, and it is looking very amazing. You can also try. Enjoy!